Good evening, ma'am. My name is Harpit Kaur, and today I am going to present nutrition invention for athlete dealing with diabetics. So, here I am going to start my presentation. Introduction. Nowadays, many of the sports person who are participated in different kind of sports, they are suffering from the diabetics. Diabetics athletes need to adjust their diet according to their nutrition content, according to their health problems, and the amount of the food uh, according to their health. And they should be more careful about the nutrition uh, in their diet. The nutrition therapy for the diabetic athlete required two types of assessment. First is early evaluation based on the type of the sport being performed, including the type of activity, for example, physical fitness. Second, after checking the blood sugar level, optimize the blood sugar level achieved during the exercise. So there is two type of diabetics. So now I'm going to explain nutrition therapy for type 1 diabetics uh, athletes. Carbohydrate is the carbohydrate is the cause of glycemic spike. It is rapidly converted to glucose within the first few hours for eating. The diet of diabetic athlete should contain essential micronutrition such as protein and fat. It is very necessary for them to stay healthy, and when they take a correct diet, they can easily contribute to post-prandial blood glucose evaluation and the need of edible insulin. Food and fluid intake and the insulation dose and the timing should be carefully adjusted based on their activity to maintain muscle and liver glucose disposal and stable plasma glucose levels. So they should more careful about their diet timing, because it is very necessary for them to take their diet according to their time. They after When they follow these things, they can perform perfectly, even they have diabetes. So after that, the second type of diabetic athlete, the requirement and assessment of individual needs such as culture and personal performance, the type of sport being played and how long it lasts. For type of 2 diabetics athletes, it is advisable to eat low calories diet to prevent the weight gain depending on the level of the exercise activity. So it is very necessary for them to maintain their weight to play perfectly. Nutrition value is very important when choosing food. So they should eat low fat food, and they should eat more protein in their food so that they can perform perfectly in the sports. It is also shown that two possible nutrition approaches to achieve weight loss in a short period of time, namely a low fat and low glucose diet, as well as a fiber rich diet, can be implemented. So they should eat more fiber rich diet in their daily routine. Also they should take advice from the dietitian if they have diabetes. After that, nutrition before physical activity. uh, in the ingestion time should be 2 or 4 hours before exercise and performance or training. They should eat approximately 3 or 4 hours before the exercising and training. It is very necessary to follow all the things to play properly. The diet is mainly composed of CHO, low in fat, medium protein, and must provide the essential hydration for optimal hydration. Exercise can lead to hyperglycemia in people and with type 1 diabetes. To avoid hyperglycemia, eat a high carbonate diet and reduce the insulin dose 1 to 3 hours before training. Eat a balanced diet can improve their athletic performance and restore the muscle and liver glycosaurus. So they should eat a diet according to their health issue, if they are a diabetic 1, they should eat according to that. If they have diabetic 2, they should eat according to that. So now the next slides Manpreet will present.
Hello everyone, my name is Manpreet and I will be continuing the presentation. Nutrition during physical activity. The diet of an athlete during the exercise depends on the duration and the intensity of the exercise. Diabetic athletes should take 30 to 60 grams of carbohydrates per hour, probably every 15 to 30 minutes. During exercise, the athlete should consume at least 40 grams of glucose per hour, or even more if the athlete doesn't reduce the insulin dose. Fruit juice and most soft drinks available contain about 12% of carbohydrate and should be diluted with water. Nutrition after physical activity. The main goal after the workout is to replace muscle glycogen and provide adequate water, electrolytes, energy, and carbohydrates to ensure rapid recovery. Carbohydrate intake every 2 hours are sufficient to reconstruct glycogen sources from the liver and muscle. It is important to reconstruct glycogen stores after exercise to reduce the risk of hypoglycemia. So, what can be a balanced diet for athletes with diabetes? Competitive athletes are recommended to have a balanced diet that contains 55 to 60% energy from carbohydrates, 12 to 18% of energy from proteins, and 25 to 30% of energy from fats. Appropriate blood glucose levels can be established based on the pattern of blood glucose response and the individual athlete's ability to make appropriate adjustment to keep the blood glucose in the target range. What are the ideal glucose level for athletes with diabetes? Ideally, diabetic athletes do their best job when their blood glucose level is in the range of 70 to 150 mg per deciliter. Most athletes with type 1 diabetes keep their blood glucose level at 120 to 180 mg per deciliter. Based on the training program, athletes can learn their personal glucose response to the training duration and intensity. How can the athletes avoid the situation of hypoglycemia post exercise? If the blood glucose level is below 100 mg per dl, immediately after the exercise, the athlete can take one or more of the following preventive methods to prevent such situation in future. The athlete can increase carbohydrate intake before exercising and reduce insulin dose for the next training session. Consider reducing the post exercise insulin dose and increase the supper or double your original diet. Make sure that the snacks are a mixture of carbohydrate proteins and drink enough water to ensure adequate hydration. The main goal is to prevent hypoglycemia as the result of exercise. Some of the specific recommendations to prevent post exercise hypoglycemia include um, 30 to 60 minutes. If the athlete does not plan to eat anything 30 to 60 minutes before workout, they should take 15 grams of carbohydrates, or plan or if they don't plan to eat more than an hour before the workout, they should eat 15 grams of carbohydrates and 7 grams of protein. Conclusion: the diabetic athletes should carefully monitor their blood glucose levels to avoid hypoglycemia, and measure the blood glucose on regular basis and combine it with a healthy and evenly distributed diet, fluid intake and consistent exercise. References: thank you for your time.